Nearly 2 years ago now, a friend who runs a custom design build company came to me with a request. One of his clients had asked for custom door pulls for a cabinet that he was building for her. We agreed on this profile, which I quickly modeled up in Fusion 360. I got the scale wrong the first time I printed it, but was able to easily correct this. Door and drawer pulls are typically end grain, which were made with a technique known as spindle turning. However, his client specifically wanted the look of face grain, which is more like bowl turning. This does introduce structural weakness to the neck of the pull due to grain runout, but so long as you aren't using them for chin-ups, you should be fine. I started with a piece of scrap pine as a test piece. Using the printed model as a reference, I manually transferred measurements and diameters one by one using calipers. While this did work, it was rather tedious to have to set and reset the calipers multiple times. I was happy with the overall form, but I wanted to improve the overall process. I went back to Fusion and created a jig for easy marking of the locations of each of the knob features. And then created a diameter guide for each of those features. The combination of these two tools would allow me to create close copies without having to remeasure multiple times. With these in hand, I got to work on the finished pieces. Profile number 4 was the largest in diameter, so I ended up turning the whole piece to that measurement first. And then marked out the transition points. finished with a simple combination of shellac and paste wax. And the grain pattern did end up looking rather remarkable. I repeated the process to make the second pull. The last step was to drill and tap a hole to secure it to the door. As anyone who has ever purchased an Apple product knows, a significant portion of the experience is in the packaging. Using some scrap walnut, I made a simple box. I textured the outside using the Arbortech Power Chisel. And finished with a coat of paste wax. One last hipster bespoke step. And they were ready for delivery and installation.